हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब। सो आई होप आज का जो आपका एग्जाम था साइंस का 25 Feb 2026 का बहुत अच्छा आपने बनाया होगा। सबके अच्छे मार्क्स आ रहे होंगे। बच्चों, अभी हम यहाँ पे उनकी आंसर कीज डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। सो हमारा फर्स्ट सेट जो हमारे पास अभी आया है 31/2/1 है। अगर आपके पास कोई और सेट है 9, सो आप 9755290580 पे व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। हम उसकी भी आपको आंसर कीज देंगे। सो डोंट फॉरगेट एंड must share your question PDF on this number. So first question, the genotype of a green stem tomato plant is denoted by GG and that of purple stem tomato plant has small gg. Hybrid of a cross between these two were cell pollinated to obtain F2 progeny. What will be the ratio of GG, small gg and GG? So what it will be 2 ratio and 3 ratio 1, 1. It's our option number D is correct. 1 ratio 2 ratio 1. It is 100% correct. Second question. बच्चों जिन्होंने पेपर शेयर किया वो थोड़ा सा कट हो गया, बट आई थिंक यू आर गेटिंग इट इज वेरी क्लियर। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप ऑफ ट्रॉपिक मूवमेंट दैट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द मूवमेंट ऑफ द pollen tube towards an ovule from the following options. So its option will, A hydrotropism, B geotropism, C chemotropism, D phototropism. So option C is correct. Now next question. So, asexual reproduction by division of cells into two cells, sexual reproduction by division of cells into many cells, asexual reproduction by breaking up spirogyra filaments into smaller parts. So, option C is correct. Now, next question, fourth one. The carbohydrates which are not used immediately in plants are stored in the form of A, which serves as an internal energy reserve. What does A stand for here? So A starch, B sugar, C fat, D protein. Option A is correct. Now next question, question number 5. The following events occur during the process of photosynthesis. Choose the option that indicates the correct events. Oxidation of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates, conversion of light into chemical energy. So conversion of light energy and absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, conversion of hydrogen. See, here it is given oxidation of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. It is wrong. Reduction is there. Conversion of light energy into it is correct. Absorption of light energy by it is correct. It is also wrong. So option number 2 and 3. Which option? This option B is correct. Now next question. So here, question number 6, what it will be? It's this option T5. Okay, highest trophic level T5. Now question number 7. Which of the following limits the number of trophic levels in a food chain? So option. So here, availability of water, deficient food supply, decrease in energy at higher level, pollution. So option number C is correct. Decrease in energy at higher levels. Next question. Here assertion reason. These are the options. Assertion blood. Question number 8. Blood plasma transports carbon dioxide in dissolved form while oxygen is transported by respiratory pigments. Second, carbon dioxide is more soluble in water than in oxygen. So question number 8, answer it is A option. Now ninth one, there are generally a greater number of individuals at the lower trophic level of an ecosystem. The greatest number is of the producers. So these are both are also correct and the correct explanation option number A. Now we will do chemistry section B. So dear students, here so students, if you have not subscribed the channel till yet, subscribe it and support it so I can help you more this type of answer sheets. बच्चों, अगर अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया चैनल को तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए फॉर लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स। ओके, सो देखिए अभी फर्स्ट अब हम केमिस्ट्री का अभी हम एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं इसमें, इसके बाद हम डिस्क्रिप्टिव भी करेंगे। ओके, सो फॉर दैट स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल सो यू विल गेट द अपडेट्स। First, seven. Which of the following are a combination reaction? So here, which are combination reaction? This is the displacement reaction, okay, and this is the decomposition reaction, this is the combination reaction, and this is also combination. So second and third, where is second, third? Option number D is correct. Now next question, 18th one. A metal carbonate reacts with a solution X which forms a salt, water, and a gas Y. What are X and Y? It is reacting, okay. So here, what are X and Y? You can say X sodium. No, metal carbonates is reacting with acid to give the this salt, water, and carbon dioxide. So here, option number C is correct. Now next one, 19th one. When ferrous sulfate crystals are heated in a test tube, we observe that a colorless gas with no smell is evolved. Second, a brown gas is evolved. The green color of the salt fades and a gas with the smell of burning sulfur is evolved. D, the green color of the salt fades and no gas is evolved. So ferrous sulfate we are heating. Okay. So here your option in 19 number, the green color of the salt fades and a gas with the smell of burning sulfur is evolved. 19C is correct. Now next question 21. When Mg metal is treated with hot water, it starts floating on the surface of water. The reason for its different behavior is Mg is the lighter. Mg reacts with water to produce H2 gas, which helps in float. G reacts with water to produce N2 gas. Mg reacts with water to form CO2 gas. Option number B is correct here. Mg reacts with water to produce H2 gas, which helps in floating. Now, next question is the pH of the gastric juices released during digestion is gastric juice. We know that it is 1.2 something. So here it will come option number A, less than 7. Now baking powder is a mixture of sodium hydrogen carbonate NaSCO3 plus tartaric acid. Okay, and not acetic acid. H plus ions we have to take it. So we can take. So here sodium hydrogen carbonate plus tartaric acid. Option number C is correct. Now next question. Question number 23. A student noticed that silver jewelry turned dull and had a gray-black coating over it after wearing for a few months. What results in the change in color of the silver metal? The polish over. So what is the reason here? The jewelry comes in contact with air, moisture, and acids and corrodes. Dust particles over the jewelry change its color. Its color changes due to rusting. So if the jewelry comes in contact with air, moisture, and acids and corrodes, okay. So it makes the Ag2S. That is the option 23B. Now next question is here, assertion reason. Carbon compounds can form chains, branched, and ring structure. Carbon exhibits the property. Carbon exhibits the property of catenation. So these both are correct, and reason is also correct. So option A is correct. Now, the next question here. Okay, now we will do physics MCQs first. Yes, now section C physics. Let's see. From the following option, choose the one which gives negative magnification greater than 1. Concave mirror, nature of image is real. Concave mirror, nature of image is virtual. Convex mirror, nature of image is real. Convex mirror, nature of image is virtual. So here option A is correct. Concave mirror, nature of image is real. Now next one, 31. A thin beam of white light falls on a face of a glass prism and a spectrum is obtained on a screen. Which of the following option is the correct sequence of colors from top to bottom on the screen? Okay, from top to bottom. So we know that it is Vibgyor VIB from lower, okay, from lower. So here red, then here VIBGYOR, okay. So red, then after red it will be yellow, then green, then blue, then violet. So option B is correct. Now next question. 32 asserts a direction of force exerted on a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field remains same if the direction of both magnetic field and current flowing through the conductor are reversed. No, if it is wrong, okay, if we will change the direction of magnetic field and current, then magnetic field will also change. It is saying of both magnetic field and current flowing through the conductor are reversed. So this option is assertion is false. So assertion is false. There is only one option. Assertion is false. So option D is correct. Now next question. Okay, so from 33 now descriptive questions we will solve further. Dear student, if you have not subscribed the channel till yet, so subscribe karo and support karo. Then I will able to give you more answer keys and means more things of your exam related. Okay, best of luck.